This is a quick tutorial on how to use the automated check-in, check-out data collection process. This is to eliminate the paper trail and the requirement for students and staff to keep track of paper documents to track the check-in, check-out scores. Research has shown that this actually increases participation by up to 60% from other schools in Illinois. In the Illinois PBIS network. So we created this system so that it would be a quick and easy way for you to record your check-in and check-out scores. You will get a document like this in the email along with this tutorial that you can either save on your computer, you can print off, and it will be available in various places. This document has two ways of entering in your check-in, check-out scores. You can either simply click on the links here or use the QR codes, and I'll show you how to do both in this tutorial. This form or the sheet will be populated with our actual students in check-in and check-out, but since this is on YouTube, we just have Abraham Lincoln and then 3 of our administrators. When you get this document, all you'll do is click on the student's name on the list, and you'll see that a form pops up, and you have this automatically populated with the student's name. You will need to log in to your Google Docs account or your Google Drive account, which is firstname.lastname@h122.org, and then it's your normal Harlem password. But if you set your computer to remember you or your phone, you only have to do that once. So you'll see I'm logged in. The student's name automatically pops up, so let's just enter in some data. Let's act as if it is December 1st. I'm Abraham's 3rd period teacher, and let's say Abraham got all 2s. Okay, and then I click Submit Form. That is all you have to do. Okay, it's that simple. Your data is collected. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the other end. For if you're a check-in, check-out person, you can check up on your students. You'll see that this is the spreadsheet that all of those data actually go to. You'll see right here, this is the one I just entered. Period 3, December 1st, Abraham Lincoln. And you can see all of his scores were all 2s. This is useful, but every single student, every single period is going to be on the spreadsheet, so we created another sheet that has a drop down right here with all of the students that are in the system. Okay, so you could click on Mr. Yarbrough and it would show his scores. Right now he doesn't have any scores entered, so if you click on this drop down, you would just find your student. Let's say we're looking for Abraham Lincoln. We click on him. Okay, you wait a second, his scores will automatically pop up in there. Okay, so this creates a nice useful tool. We can see that on Monday he's averaging about 83 of his points. Okay, so let's say that we're the 6th period teacher and we don't want to use the form like this, so we can go back to that document. Okay, and we can use what's this QR code here. Hello. I'll show you how to use that QR code using your cell phone. So that way you can just print this document off and use it that way. You can just scan it anywhere you're at in your classroom, or you can just scan it on the monitor, which is what I'm about to do right now, and I'll show you where that will actually take you. So I'm going to scan. So I scanned it here. You'll see that Abraham Lincoln just comes up on the check-in, check-out form. I'm going to act as if it is December 1st. And we're in period 6. Okay, and just to show you kind of how this looks, I'm going to bring this up here. So now we're on Abraham Lincoln. And I'm going to go 2 respect, 1 responsibility, 2 safety, 2 citizenship. So we go 2 1 2 2. Okay, you'll see that that's filled out there on the form. Okay, I click Submit, and you'll see his scores will pop up just like that. Okay, so you'll see right here we have his 2 1 2 2 scores for 6th period is automatically pop up in that window. So it's pretty much real time, and this is going to work for every single student that's in check-in, check-out. So this drop-down list right here eventually will have all of the students on check-in, check-out if you want to see how they're doing in every class, and that will be saved with you as well with this tutorial. So that's it. That's a pretty easy way to do it. Either click the link, scan the QR code, and enter in your check-in, check-out scores, and we will have all that data collected immediately. Thanks for listening, and if you have any questions, as always, contact me. Thank you.